This is an activation of the Amber Alert system at the request of the Department of Public Safety and Dallas Police Department. Last seen at the 6400 block of Maple Avenue in Dallas, Texas at 3:04 p.m. March 26, 2026. The first missing child is Kyair Epperson. They are 1 year old with brown hair, male, black, with black hair, 2'5", weighing about 20 pounds. They were last seen wearing brown onesies with an animal print, green shorts, and white socks. The second missing child is Saria Roy Ford. She is 8 years old, brown, black hair, 4'8", 70 pounds. Last seen wearing a blue shirt, pink shorts, blue shoes, and has a braided ponytail. The wanted and last person seen with them was Jonathan Hill Jr. He is 21 years old, brown eyes, male, black hair, 6'1", weighing 185 pounds. Please call 911 if you have seen them. If you have any information on this Amber Alert, please contact the Dallas Police Department or call 911. We now return to your normal programming on WBAP.